Yeah. How's it going? What's your name?
Good. It's on the app, right?
Yeah, you need to confirm with me the name though.
Oh yeah. No, I got you right here. Your face is on the phone. It's cool.
No, I need like your name so I can make sure you're
It's right here. Yeah, don't worry.
That's just doesn't even say anything, but okay.
Yeah, don't worry, man. Don't worry.
Okay.
No, phone's got it all taken care of.
Can you at least confirm the destination?
Oh yeah. Here, hold on. There you go.
What was that?
That's the destination. Yeah. Just go there.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just my buddy's house. We're just gonna have some drinks.
Okay. Can you fasten your seatbelt, please?
Oh yeah. Give me a sec. Oh.
That's not how you put on a seatbelt.
No, I just lost I lost a homie to seatbelt, so I don't trust him.
Okay. That's not how you wear it.
Hey,
either.
I got the lap belt at least, right? Come on.
That's definitely not legal. Like, the cop will not. Are you cool with like if a cop like pulls us over and you're gonna be okay? Like,
yeah, I'll take it. It's fine.
Okay. So, what have you been up to today?
Oh, nothing. Just hanging out. Did some cooking earlier. Some lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about you? You just been driving all day?
Yeah, I've been driving since like 6 a.m.
Jesus.
Yeah,
got a long fucking day, man.
Yeah. Are you good? You're like shaking back there.
Oh no! I this weather gets me a little chilly.
You're in shorts.
Yeah, laundry day too.
Okay.
Yeah. You okay? You good?
I hope so. I hope we're okay.
Me too.
So you're just
cruising over to homies.
Okay.
Have a couple beers.
Yeah.
Maybe watch a game if it's on.
It's kind of a far ride.
Yeah. No, it's my car's in the shop, so.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I hope a long ride's not a problem.
No, I mean it's not. It's just, yeah.
Yeah. No, man. I got the money for it, so don't worry. I'll take care of you. So, you got family? You got family in the neighborhood?
It's a little personal.
Oh, sorry. Just trying to make some friendly conversation. You know.
Yeah.
No big deal. So,
we got in that bag there.
Oh, just you can hear it, just some beers.
Oh, they're not. I don't like allow any open containers.
Oh no, it's not open. Backpack's closed. Promise.
Okay.
Yeah. No, just a couple Ziploc baggies of snacks and a couple beers. My homie never keeps a stock fridge, so just I like to bring my own stuff.
Yeah.
So you party? You know any cute girls? Like, you down to watch a game? Like,
Like
you've been working since 6. Maybe take some time off, take a break.
I don't usually like hang out with my passengers, but
I bet you meet a lot of really cute girls, huh? Yeah.
That's not really why I do this job. This is my work, so I try to keep it professional. But
paying the bills.
I mean, there was one time.
Yeah.
I met a girl.
Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah.
She wanted to hang out.
Yeah.
But yeah, she I don't know. She kind of like ghosted me.
Oh, that girl be crazy. Taking what they want when they can. Right?
Yeah, I guess so. You just canceled the ride?
No. That was a text from my homie. No,
you just canceled the ride?
No, I didn't. No, I didn't, dude.
Dude, I can see on your app, like you just click
cancel. No. I was just checking it. I swear.
Checking what?
Just checking the app was still
Dude,
up.
you just canceled the ride. I have to drop you off, bro. I'm sorry.
No, dude.
It's
what if I just redo the ride?
You can't do that. You can't reorder me. You just can't. You're trying to scam me for a free ride, dude.
It's a long fucking.
Dude, you look shady, bro. You like You literally click cancel so you can try to get a free ride. I know this has happened to me before.
Fine, whatever.
Actually, there's a police station right up here. I can just drop you off there.
No.
All right, I'm gonna let you out.
Yeah, let me out here. I don't need to go to no fucking police station.
All right.
You and Art?
Wait till I stop. Don't open the door now.
I'll jump and run.
You better not, dude. Are you okay?
Yeah, get away.
Dude, yo, chill, bro. Chill.